Had an update to give. In a major drug bust, we conducted a raid. So on the night of 6th in Kerim area. So there was information, as you all aware, that we had busted one pan-India network of LSD worth 1 crore rupees, one case last month. So taking information from that, we got an information that there are possibilities of finding GHB drug in Goa. So the entire team was after that. So through our sources, technical surveillance, we were able to narrow down on a Russian DJ. She used to play in low parties, small parties. So in a raid we conducted, we found around 300 grams of GHB and around 30 plus grams of ganja at her residence. So we have seized that drug, we have arrested her, and we have gotten 2 days custody. So this is, and I will also like to tell you something about this GHB drug. The GHB is gamma hydroxybutyrate. It is locally known as liquid X or liquid ecstasy, and it is also called as date rape drug. So the primary purpose for this is that it is used to spike the drinks, and once it is given, the victim usually goes into semi-trance state, and whenever something has happened later on, when he or she gains consciousness, they don't know what has happened to them. So it is very much used in parties for that purpose. So there are other date rape drugs like roofies and ketamine also, but this is the first time ever in Goa that we have found GHB. Okay.
So the arrest which was made, how long the lady was staying in Goa?
She has been staying here for quite some time now. She has been coming and going. So since she has been staying here since 2013 or 14 years.
So 10 years.
Almost 10 years.
And she was working for some group, or she was individually working?
She was a freelancer. She is a DJ. She produces her songs and music, and she performs in small parties.
Prima facie, it is like she created her own network.
Prima facie, can you please repeat the question?
So she created her own network in Goa, or are there any links?
We are investigating all the further links. So this is what we got. We arrested her. Now we are further investigating as to how she got this drug. Further links we are investigating. Yes.
Staying in Goa on what visa?
Tourist visa.
To return series to come on tourist visa.
Yes.
She was staying at a residence. Was it rented premises, and whether police verification was done?
It is a rented premise in Keri and Pernam area. So a proper tenant verification was also done. So she currently, from where we had picked her, she had just shifted to this place. So we are investigating as to where she was earlier staying, all those things.
So she has been doing this since 2013?
No. See, we got an information, we worked on that. So earlier than this, whether she was working into this and all, we have taken her custody for 2 days. So we will be interrogating her properly, and we will find out whether she was earlier into this or not. So we are trying to make proper linkages.
This is the first case against her, or is there any case have been registered
This is
before?
the first case against her.
ये रेड हैंडेड पकड़ा है या टिप के बारे में?
इन्फॉर्मेशन थी हमारे पास, पूरा टेक्निकल और हमारे जो सोर्सेज थे उनसे इन्फॉर्मेशन के बाद फिर हमने इसके घर पे इसको पकड़ा।
उसका कोई एसोसिएट वगैरह कुछ है उसके साथ रहता है क्यों?
नहीं, उसके पास अभी कुछ नहीं। एसोसिएट का अभी इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ मिलेगा तो विल लेट यू नो। थैंक यू।